Guys, you can trust me. You can trust me to help you renovate, design your apartment, your house, your space, and yes, even your yacht. I'm gonna tell you why. So I'm a mother of 8, and when this boat came into our life, we didn't buy it. It was gifted to us. So I didn't have the budget to bring it out of the 80s. I had to be crafty. I had to be industrious. I had to basically make something cute out of pennies. And so I have zero mean girl energy and I have zero energy to spare. But what I did do is I created a PDF that you can download, and I can show you all the resources, all the items you need, all the tips, all the tricks, all the things to do and what not to do, so you can bring your boat into the 21st century. So you can modernize, you can update, you can renovate, you can retrofit, whatever you want to call it. I have it all in one packet and I want to share it with you guys. But first, let me show you guys how it first started out. This generous farmer gifted us this yacht. It was in a time capsule, so I wanted to replace the striped seating, and then I wanted to replace the dingy carpet. I wanted to get a custom mattress cover for the dated mattress, and I also wanted to replace the pink drapes. So the first item that was done was I submitted a render from ChatGPT and said, this is the look I want, and it looked amazing. The new carpet, the banquette, the black helm just wasn't hitting, so we had it fixed, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like now while we take it out on the water for the first time. The first time we took Tranquility out on the water, it was so peaceful, it was magical, it was majestic. Oh, and a little rocky. What? Whoa! Traveling.
I had this houseboat that was back in there. Yeah. That thing was beautiful inside. I was gonna buy it, but then again, I wanted too much for it. But it was, oh man, it was immaculate. In the
That
50s,
looks like the color of
all
the
50
airplane.
stuff, you know.
Okay, so let me go into the mistake I made when coming up with the design. I wish I would have picked the wood flooring. The carpets give me so much anxiety. You see I have all kinds of old drapes and sheets on the ground because I'm just deathly scared of getting it dirty. So if you're like OCD about your home decor and you love a clean floor, don't buy the carpet, buy the wood. All right, so the final touch has been done. It's just these curtains. They're like this tweed fabric. Or what it was like before, right guys? What was there before? Pink. And there were also like some sunset, kind of remind me of like sunset colors. Okay guys, we are on the water. We did all these. And in here as well.
What about the bathroom? Did you more in there?
I don't think there's any in the bathroom. Let's see. Oh, there is.
That's pancakes and the best eggs.
So this is what it's like. There's a lot of room.
Yeah, I got scanners.
Back to the dock. The last thing to do is to make a template because we are sending this off to Boutique and we're going to have a custom mattress cover. Actually, we're having 2 made.
Upkeep that probably hasn't been done in a while.
What do you guys think of this tugboat? Okay guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And if you're interested, check out my PDF. And I'll see you guys in the next video. We're gonna add the custom mattress. We're gonna hang out, have more life and more fun.